Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Bigcommerce. So let's begin. Using Bigcommerce involves setting up your store, managing products, customizing your theme, and of course using tools to optimize the customer experience. Now we have a separate video on how to create an account here in Bigcommerce that you might want to check in our channel, because basically before you can use the Bigcommerce platform, you might want to create one. But in the summary, all you have to do is go to the upper right corner, click on login. Now obviously you need to click the sign up button. And from here, you just have to follow all the on-screen instructions. And then once you have successfully created your account here in Bigcommerce, once you are in the homepage, one of the most common thing that you need to do is to configure your store settings. All right. And of course, from there, you need to go to the left side panel of your dashboard. You see this? That's going to be the settings. You have the store profile. All right, this is very important because you need to enter information like your store name, contact details, and of course your business address and time zone, right? And all emails to all customers will be sent from this address if you have that. Now, if you hover down below, you see this is going to be the default country and the language. If you want to change all of these, you have the option to do that. All right, and from there, the next thing that you need to do is go to the storefront, which is basically one of the most important thing, because here you might want to click and check the theme that you're going to use for your Bigcommerce account. All right, so we have a separate video on how to edit themes that you might want to check in our channel, but basically I highly suggest you go to the theme marketplace, wherein you can check on the best template that you can apply depending on your brand and identity. So there are like two options. There are the free ones, wherein if you choose that, you're kind of limited with the design and styles. But of course, you can start from there, especially if this is your first time in Bigcommerce. Eventually, if you feel like your store needs an update, you might want to go for the paid plans. You see, the free plan is kind of limited, which is understandable. And if you want to go for the paid plans, which is you can sort by newest and featured, right? So these are some of them. Now, please take note that the price are dependent on the styles and complexity. They have one template costs you around $3.95, the other costs you around $3.20, the others are like $2.50, so there are like $2.65, some are like $99. All right, so just select the theme, for example this one, if you want that. If you want to preview the theme, you might want to click on it to check the responsiveness of the themes. Right here you have the preview button here, preview mode, design, and this is going to be the desktop preview, the tablet preview right here, and of course the mobile preview, just checking the intuitiveness of the template. All right, now we're going back again to the home page, because here, after selecting the theme, again, I want you to watch our tutorial about editing the theme here in Bigcommerce. I'm not going to deal with that. We also have the option for the homepage carousel we're in. Now you see, you have an option for the homepage carousel and the social media links. If you have that on the left side panel of your storefront, these are the available networks like Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, and of course, in our case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly switch over to our GPLabs YouTube channel. If you haven't already, just click the subscribe button so you'll get notifications in our latest content. I'm going to copy the YouTube URL of our GPLabs channel and then switch over again to the Bigcommerce to paste the YouTube link. All right, so click on save. So if you have any accounts like LinkedIn and a lot more, just put it here. After that, you have the option for the blogs. We have a separate video on how to create a blog, but basically all you gotta do is click the plus button here to start your first blog here. All right, for example, put it here, put that, and of course you can put in an image right here if you want, just like that. And of course you can click on publish. All right, wait for it. And then after publishing your first blog here in Bigcommerce, go again to the left side panel of your dashboard, and I want you to hover to the product section. This is very important because For you to be able to utilize the platform, you need to earn money, right? And earning money and growing an income here is producing products. Now, all you're gonna do is click the add product section here. This is very easy. We have a separate video on how to add products in depthly. And of course, you just have to put in the product name. Similarly to the blog earlier, you can customize all the information here in Bigcommerce. You can choose the font style if you want. Say, for example, this. You can make it a little bit bigger. And of course, choose the different color. Say, maybe a bit red. And put in an image here. Right? Wait for it to load. It takes a little while. And from here, these are some of the options that you need to set up. We have a separate video for that. I'm not going to deal with it, but just, dipping in a little bit. And once you're happy with that, all you're going to do is click on save and you have added your first product. Of course, you can put in the, say 7. Click on save. All right. Once you have added your product, obviously you need to go to the view store option, because you might want to check if the responsiveness of your store fits very well with the intended purpose of your logo and your brands. Of course, especially if you're selling items or products here. Now, after that, the next thing that we need to do is go to the option that says select a plan, because we can't push the website to be live if we are using only the free trial. All right, so pick a plan for your Bigcommerce store, grow sales and increase efficiency. Since we already have updated the store information, the product and the blog and the themes, now it's time to go live and earn money and of course create income here in Bigcommerce. Now you see there's gonna be an options wherein you can choose for the standard, which is $39 per month. Of course, you can have all these benefits for you. Get access to these features. Standard are like this, right? You can take advantage of all of these perks and benefits. If you wanted to scale up and choose the plus plan, which is the most popular, just click on the 105 here per month. And if you wanted to go for the enterprise, you might want to contact sales first and get a demo before you dive into a big commitment. But needless to say, these are going to be the perks and benefits that you might want to compare, so that depending on your goal and preferences, you might want to make an informed decision about getting your site live here in Bigcommerce. Now, after that, if you feel like you still have more questions for the using Bigcommerce here, and if you aren't sure, just go to the Bigcommerce customer support service. You have 3 options here. The one channel is getting a demo. You can request a demo. One is talking to the sales professionals, and of course you can get support from these. All right, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.